Hi everybody, this is George again, and I'm posting the second video of the week, picking up where I left off. So here we are, and this is a video that I presume you all watched because many of you have left comments, and I see the number of people who have watched the video. It's almost identical to the number of people in the class, and maybe a few fans out there on the internet. But Friday, April 3rd, your assignment is to find gig work, and now I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So the sources I am giving you to find gig work, as mentioned, are Craigslist and TaskRabbit. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, this is TaskRabbit. This is Craigslist. Craigslist is a nice throwback to the early days of the internet. It hasn't changed much since the early 90s. Back in the early 90s, late 2000s, this is what a lot of websites looked like. Just words on a page, not too flashy, not too user-friendly. So you had to really look to find what you wanted, which is good for people practicing their English skills. So what you do, you go to craigslist.com, Boston. Now, I'm going to use my marker to show you exactly what you're looking for. So look for some of the vocabulary words, all right? First thing you're looking for, jobs, boom. I'm going to change the color of the marker here. Let's go for blue. All right, so what are your skills? What are your backgrounds? You all speak a second language. You might find some translation work. You might be able to work from home, but let's just go through these. So art, engineering, office work, if you've done bookkeeping, things like that. Perhaps you want experience with, many of you, food and beverage, hospitality. But with the coronavirus, these are the type of jobs that are disappearing. So you got to look for something else. What's a type of job that is still in demand at this time with the coronavirus? All right, retail, security, transportation, writing, editing. Now here's exactly what you're looking for, which is what I'm going to click on, gigs. That's not regular jobs, but just part-time work that might be a day, a week, jobs that come and go, a task, if you will. So when you click on gigs for Boston Craigslist, this is what you want to wade through, what you want to sort through. So labor, events, computer, creative, crew, domestic, writing. So let's start with events. So what do we have going on here in Boston? All right, so for March 30th, community members wanted for focus group session about legal case. All right, childhood and relationship abuse survivors needed help with others. Sensitive topic, but bear in mind you might have something to bring to this, to take a look. Help dogs in need with your yard. Okay, paid project casting people with Verizon Wireless. This is a commercial. Maybe you have experience acting, anything. Tennis coach, so people who have experience with sports. So I'm going to pick one of these and show you how you would apply it. All right, now let's go to, this is an interesting one. Earned $175 to discuss snack foods online. All right, so here it is. Looks like it's a promotion for a product. All right, and the location is right around here in Logan Airport. So $175 to talk about snack foods. So you read the ad, it says, hey Boston, do you like snacks? So this is obviously a company trying to promote their product and they need gig work. So it says, if you audition, you show up to Logan Airport, see, do you love to snack? We have a perfect paid online survey for you. Okay, this might be working from home. Paid online survey for you. Check out this opportunity for online survey taking place March 23rd to 25th. Okay, that's already expired, but expect to spend 30 minutes each day participating online. Okay, so that is a regular paying gig. This is how you would read through an application for gig work. And with the coronavirus, I want to encourage all of you to look for jobs where you don't have to leave the house. So just like you're taking this class online, start thinking about jobs where you don't have to put yourself in harm's way. Now, let's go to labor. All right, so it says right up here, need someone to rake 30 yards, all right? Medfield, job openings, hiring contractors immediately, so that's construction work. Lawn care, that's landscaping work. This landscaping job looks like it pays pretty well, so $1,000 a week for landscaping. Let's see, how would I apply to this job? All right, click on the link, I read the instructions. This looks like a startup landscaping company. Looks like they've got a lot of people. They have their own swag. That's their t-shirts. You click here, you sign up, you read the instructions. Let's say if I want to sign up for, here it is, grow your lawn care business. Okay, this looks like it's franchising. So that's one thing why you got to read the instructions. So that means franchising. So it's not, they're not hiring laborers, they're just franchising people to start their own businesses. So that's why you got to read careful. Moving help needed. I'm going to scroll all the way down here, even though this job is expired. I'm going to show you how to open this. So moving. So usually people who need help moving will just post the job in the morning and then get calls later on. So moving help, click $15 an hour, and you call the number and see if you get it. So Craigslist, it's usually first come, first serve. You check what's there and you call and you find your work. That's pretty much the way it is. Now, TaskRabbit is a little more polished, a little more sophisticated. So TaskRabbit will say popular projects in Boston right here, and it'll give you, what I like here is it gives you rates about what a job is worth. So clean bathroom and kitchen, average project 83 to 141. Moving boxes into a truck. More complex, so delivery, fixing plumbing, planting flowers, lifting furniture. So they usually have a general rate about how much a task is worth, which I think is much better than Craigslist, so that people aren't trying to lowball each other and move the price down. Now, it also has a rate and review system. All of these guys are what are called taskers, and these are people who make their money with TaskRabbit, and they list their skills, and also it'll list the reviews, just the way Uber and Lyft drivers make money. So how do you get a job here? Go up to the top on the right hand side. It says become a tasker. Click right there, and then it will ask you to fill out your personal information, name, email address, create a password, give them your phone number, give them your zip code, so you find jobs where you live. So that's it. Find some work. That's your homework. Go make some money and then write about it. So this is what I put onto Google Classroom. Find gig work. There it is. Find gig work. I'd like you to write about finding gig work in, let's see, I'll show you what I wrote, the actual post. Find gig work. And I said, and I would like you to write about your experience using Craigslist and TaskRabbit. Use these sites to find and write about your experience in 80 to 100 words. So I'm posting this on Tuesday because I want you to spend the whole week looking for work and writing about that experience. Now, this is the last thing I'm going to stress. In your writing, describe the process of navigating the website, applying for the job, and negotiating with the client. So that's it. So by Sunday, I hope everybody has found some work, made some money, or at least gained some experience trying to find some work and trying to make some money, and that you can send me your writing about this experience in 80 to 100 words. Okay? Best of luck, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.